We've got a quick drone video of tract 60 at Cave Hollow, so it's a homesteader friendly tract. It's over 7.5 acres. We're looking westerly, property on the left side of the gravel easement road, and I believe the truck is just kind of driving the road frontage on the property. It borders that gravel easement road along basically its entire north side. As you go south, which would be left as we're looking this direction, it slopes down to the little creek bed that you see far off on the left side. So that's going to be a seasonal creek bed. Um, Property actually has some beautiful open glade areas, which we can kind of see in this drone video. The open spots with the cedar trees. So this is a mixture of hardwood trees and those glade areas, which are predominantly cedar trees. Beautiful, beautiful property. It probably would not take too much to clear yourself a little driveway or trail going into one of those glades, and then you could potentially use one of those open glades, as a building site or a campsite or a hunting spot or whatnot. Just a gorgeous tract. The views out here are phenomenal from this property, especially because of the way the topography is. You're going to have some awesome views to the south and to the east. And we're just kind of doing a flyover here. When you go to the listing page, if you're not already there, we'll have that there. You can see some of those open glades. We'll have the MapRight interactive map. And if you switch the base layer to infrared, that'll really make these natural glade areas pop out. We have seldom ever found a use for that infrared layer, but this is one use. It shows these glades off really, really well. And this tract 60 does have several really beautiful natural glades. Okay, so now we're looking easterly, so property on the right side of the road. Extremely peaceful out here, extremely private. White-tailed deer and wild turkey population is great. Whether you go east or west, you're within about 10 miles of some great lakes. Norfolk Lake to the east, Bull Shoals Lake to the west. Stunning property. So InstantAcres.com, click on the homesteader friendly section. This is Cave Hollow, and this is tract 60. So the website will tell you the availability as well as tons of other information about this, and you can see any other available properties as well. Very end of the video, and it looks like the sun finally started coming out. That definitely happens. Big tract, 7.7 acres at Cave Hollow, tract 60.